Hey everyone, in this video I'm showing you how to make a delicious sugar-free strawberry ice cream. To make the strawberry puree I'm using 450 grams of strawberries. I didn't have fresh, so I used frozen. If you can use fresh, use those. Heat them on a low flame and then crush them with a wooden spoon. Finally, blend them into a smooth puree. While it's still hot and very fluid, strain the puree to separate the seeds. You can also use it without straining it, but I prefer a smooth texture to my ice cream. To 300 grams of strawberry puree, I'm adding 20 grams of honey. Make sure the puree is still very warm. Strawberries pair exceptionally well with orange blossom water, which is why I'm adding a teaspoon of it. And the last ingredient I'm adding to the puree is 60 grams of xylitol. Stir well until the xylitol and the honey dissolve completely, cover the puree with plastic wrap and refrigerate it for at least an hour. Whip 150 milliliters of very cold whipping cream for 1.5 minutes on the lowest speed. Then add 150 grams of cold, plain yogurt and mix for another minute. Then take the cold puree out of the fridge, give it a quick stir, and add about 1/3 of the yogurt mousse you just made. Mix this in until you have a rather homogeneous mixture, and when you do, pour it over the remaining yogurt mousse. Just look at that beautiful, beautiful color. Mix with the whisk and finally switch to a silicone spatula for a smooth and homogeneous result. Pour this beautiful mixture into your ice cream machine and follow the manufacturer's instructions. Mine needs about 20 minutes for this recipe. In the meantime, freeze a casserole so your ice cream doesn't melt when you take it out of the machine. And this is the texture your ice cream should have when you put it in the casserole. Level it with your silicone spatula and then freeze it for at least 6 hours. After that, when you take it out of the freezer, let it sit for 10 minutes. Then scoop it out and serve it. I like to drizzle some sugar-free strawberry jam on it, but that's entirely optional. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below what you'd like to see next, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Until next time, dessertophiles.